Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap mirrorless cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Panasonic Lumix G7 KS, a camera that has been around for a while, but still holds its ground as a budget-friendly option for creators. The G7 KS features a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor and 4K Ultra HD video capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those transitioning from smartphones to mirrorless cameras. Its standout feature is the 4K photo mode, which allows users to extract high-resolution stills from video footage, a unique capability not commonly found in this price range. The design of the G7 KS is compact and lightweight, and it's perfect for travelers or those who want a portable camera without sacrificing quality. Despite its smaller size, it offers a comfortable grip and intuitive controls. The camera's OLED viewfinder and fully articulating LCD touchscreen make it easy to frame shots from various angles, which is especially useful for vloggers and content creators. In terms of performance, the autofocus system is precise, with face and eye detection as well as customizable focus options. However, the 16-megapixel sensor does show its age, particularly in low-light conditions, where noise becomes noticeable. Still, the G7 KS is a fantastic option for casual photographers and video creators who want a versatile camera on a budget. The main downside is the lack of in-body image stabilization, which can make handheld shooting a bit tricky. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix G7 KS is a reliable entry-level mirrorless camera with a solid feature set, perfect for beginners looking to explore 4K video and photography. Coming in at number 4 is the Nikon Z30, a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed with content creators in mind. This camera is equipped with a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor and delivers crisp 4K video with no crop, making it an excellent tool for vloggers or streamers. The Z30's standout features include its flip-out touchscreen, built-in microphone, and red recording light, all of which make it ideal for solo creators who need a simple, user-friendly setup. The build quality of the Nikon Z30 is robust despite its small size. It feels solid in hand, and the button layout is intuitive for both beginners and more seasoned users. The camera's compact body is compatible with the Nikkor Z lens lineup, allowing you to expand your creative possibilities as your skills grow. One notable highlight is its USB-C power delivery, which means you can shoot for longer durations without worrying about battery life, a huge plus for live streaming. In terms of performance, the Z30 shines with its reliable autofocus system, which includes eye tracking for both humans and pets. However, it's worth noting that this camera lacks an electronic viewfinder, which might be a deal-breaker for some photographers. Additionally, while it excels at video, its still photography capabilities are slightly less advanced than some competitors in this list. Overall, the Nikon Z30 is a fantastic choice for creators focused on video content, but those prioritizing photography may want to look elsewhere. At number 3, we have the Canon EOS R100, the smallest and lightest camera in Canon's EOS R lineup. With a 24.1-megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera delivers impressive image quality with vibrant colors and natural bokeh. It's an excellent option for those who are new to mirrorless cameras, but want something that offers professional-grade image quality in a compact, affordable package. The EOS R100's design is sleek and portable, making it a great choice for everyday carry. Despite its small size, it features a robust build and a comfortable grip. The camera includes a bright optical viewfinder and a responsive LCD screen, although the screen is fixed and not articulating, which might be a limitation for vloggers. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus is one of its most impressive traits, offering subject tracking and face-eye detection for sharp, in-focus shots. Performance-wise, the R100 is reliable for stills and video, with 4K video recording at 24 frames per second and full HD at 60 frames per second. However, its video capabilities are somewhat limited due to the lack of in-body stabilization. This camera is ideal for those who prioritize photography and occasional video use. The Canon EOS R100 offers great value for its price, with the primary downside being its limited feature set compared to higher-ranked options. It's perfect for beginners and hobbyists looking to capture high-quality images without breaking the bank. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. This full-frame mirrorless camera is packed with professional-grade features, including a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor, Digic-X image processor, and advanced subject tracking capabilities. Whether you're capturing fast action or shooting in low light, the R6 Mark II handles it all with ease and delivers stunning results. The design of the R6 Mark II is both functional and ergonomic, with a sturdy build that feels premium in hand. Its electronic viewfinder is a standout feature, offering a bright, high-resolution display with a 120 FPS refresh rate for seamless composition. The vari-angle touchscreen adds to its versatility, making it easy to shoot from virtually any angle. The R6 Mark II also includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick sharing and remote shooting. In terms of performance, this camera is a powerhouse. It supports continuous shooting at up to 40 FPS and offers remarkable video capabilities, including 6K oversampled 4K video at 60 FPS. The autofocus system is one of the best in its class, with advanced head, face, and eye detection for both humans and animals. The only downside is that this camera is priced higher than the other options on our list, and it's body only, meaning you'll need to invest in lenses separately. However, for those who want a high-performance full-frame camera, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is hard to beat. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Canon EOS R50, a hybrid camera that offers the perfect balance of performance, portability, and price. With its 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic-X processor, the R50 delivers stunning image quality and advanced video features, making it the ideal choice for both photographers and content creators. This camera can shoot 6K oversampled 4K video at 30 FPS, ensuring top-notch video quality for vlogging or cinematic projects. Design-wise, the EOS R50 is lightweight and compact, yet it doesn't compromise on functionality. It features a vari-angle touchscreen for easy composition and a high-quality electronic viewfinder for more traditional shooting styles. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless file transfers and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. In terms of performance, the R50 excels with its high-speed continuous shooting capabilities, capturing up to 15 FPS with the electronic shutter. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is a standout, with 651 autofocus zones and deep learning technology for accurate subject tracking. This makes it especially appealing for vloggers, as it can track faces and eyes with incredible precision. While the R50 doesn't have in-body image stabilization, its lightweight design and versatile features make it the best overall option for those seeking a budget-friendly mirrorless camera. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, the Canon EOS R50 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, we can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.